Hi guys, so once again welcome again to my channel. So today what I have here is actually a Casio dive watch. Sorry, it's actually a Casio dive style watch, which is a quartz, and it has 50-meter water resistant. And this is the MTP-VD01 model, which is actually this is a very cheap watch. What I'm going to do today is that as you can see that there's no strap. The strap is missing, so I have a few straps here, which some of them are aftermarket strap, which I ordered from China, very cheap. This one is actually a rubber strap, which is an original Casio rubber strap. So we'll try this in. Okay, so another one is this one is also a canvas strap or netto strap sourced from China. It's very cheap, about $5. And here is also a leather strap, which is also sourced from Shopee and bought from China. As you can see, it's stated genuine leather, but I don't know whether this is really leather or not. But the quality is quite okay. Yeah? So we'll try this in. And finally, we have another strap, which is also from China. This one is a little expensive, about $15 US. Just let it comes off. Okay, so this is the crocodile style leather strap. Okay, all right. So this one is look a bit classy than the rest. So we will try one by one and which one really suit this little Casio over here. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, so we have the first one. So this is the brown or tan leather strap from China. So this is as you can see, it really fit the it's really suitable and fit the dial of the watch and the strap. Okay, so it's really look lovely. Look at that. And this kind of strap is very easy to install because it has a spring bar over here. So what you need to do is just pull and fit it in. No? So I think this one is fairly easy to install. Okay, so let's try it on my wrist. Okay, so this is how it looks on my wrist. I have a fairly small wrist, 6.5 inches. As you can see that this watch just sits nicely on it, and the leather strap is quite nice on me. Right, so we try the other one. Okay, welcome back. So the next one is the Casio original strap, and it's really fit perfectly and transforming the watch to look like a diver, a real diver. The bezel here is actually fixed. It is fixed and it can't move. Okay, it's fixed, so it's only look like a diver watch. But by fixing or by attaching the rubber band here, making it look like a diver. Okay, let's try it on my wrist. To me it's look okay, and actually it's perfectly fit the watch, and transforming the watch into sort of dive watch. Okay, let's try the other one. Okay, welcome back. So this is the canvas or the LeatherStrap, which fits perfectly. It's 20mm, sorry, it's 22mm. The lug size is 22mm. So it's the LeatherStrap is in green color. So to me, it's quite alright, but not as good as the leather. Let's try it on my wrist. Okay then, so to me it's quite comfortable, and it's light because it's canvas and it's light as compared to the LeatherStrap, and it's look good. Giving it an impression that this is a field watch. Look like a field watch. Okay then, let's try the last one, which is the crocodile style LeatherStrap. Okay, for this crocodile style strap, definitely transform the Casio watch into a dress watch. As you can see, it's look classy and really look suitable for a dress watch. Look at that. So this is how you can transform a watch with various strap option that will transform your watch into whatever watch style that you want. So for now, for this crocodile style strap, LeatherStrap, really transform the watch into a dress watch. Let's try it on my wrist. Okay, so look at that. So it looks lovely. Okay, so that's it. So this is my what is the collection of strap for this little Casio, and I think the LeatherStrap is just the one that I like here, so that I'll be able to use to wear this watch to the office. Okay, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do subscribe, and see you again in the next one. Bye.